Hey friends, in this video, we will show you how to install Google Gemini 1.5 AI Assistant without any third-party APK. Let's start the video without any delay. Now, I have old Google Assistant installed in my mobile, but I will try to install Google Gemini and follow the steps along with me. First, go to Mobile Settings and set the region to United States. Restart your mobile after setting the region. Changing region may reduce some features of your device. After restarting, you have to tap on Google and tap on your profile. After tapping on the profile, go to Settings and then tap on Google Assistant. Now, tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. You may find this option by scrolling down. Then tap on Hey Google to set up Assistant. After setting up the Assistant, restart the device again. Now activate the Google Assistant by pressing and holding the power button and then using voice. Now, you can see the option to try Gemini. Set up Gemini by clicking Try Now. Now whenever you press the Google Assistant button, Gemini Assistant will be active instead of Google Assistant. If you like this video, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.